think I'll ever be able to get a new car.
How about a used one instead?
Not again.
Oh, there you are.
We need to serve everybody.
We're a family here, man.
Every single customer deserves a red carpet experience.
That is really impressive.
We're discounting our cars across all of our lots.
In 1,000 feet, you will arrive at your destination.